My name is Ruben Garcia. I'm a retired Sergeant First Class from the Army. Since I retired, I got all day to play, and usually I come here to see the dolphins. I use my jet ski, and I go up to the north, to Daytona Beach. I started noticing I couldn't bend my leg at all. I couldn't even move my leg backwards. I dealt with that for 10 years. It was really bad, but I was too afraid to get a hip replacement. I started looking for a doctor.
Mr. Ruben?
Yes.
Hello.
I found Dr. Turnbull.
Hey, Ruben.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Fine. I like the doctor from the first time I saw him because, he gave me confidence. He took the x-rays and he showed me that my hip collapsed. So he told me that he'll do the surgery, and then he explained to me that if everything works fine, you're gonna go home the same day. I say, what? The same day? So after that, had the surgery done, I got up and I put all my weight on the surgery leg. I didn't feel any pain at all. They took me downstairs. I got on the car and I told my wife, take me to the dentist across the street because I want to eat pancakes. 1 hour after surgery, I still didn't have any pain. So I had my pancakes and I went home. I don't have any pain now. I could go and do whatever I used to do before. I'm able to go anywhere I want. Dr. Turnbull helped me get my life back, and you don't have to wait 10 years like I did to feel better. I'm Ruben Garcia, and I have both of my hips replaced by Dr. Turnbull, and I'm enjoying my life now.